Alright, this is Buddy V's pizza vending machine. Have to check this out at some point. I'm so full. I just went to their official grand opening at Las Cafe. Buddy V said this is the same pizza they have in the restaurant. It looks like there's a good selection, pepperoni, Italiano. And then you can double up to get 2 slices for the price of 2, maybe $1 off. Oh, it looks like it might be $2 off if you double up. So that's a deal. Looks delicious. The pizza in the, oh look, it was a me cameo. The pizza in the actual restaurant is delicious. So apparently this is chilled in a fridge at 31 degrees. Then when you order, goes into an oven at 100 and whatever degrees. Yeah, 100 degrees. Oh, it tells you live what the temperatures are. Handy. So the fridge, the oven. That's cool. And then your slice comes out here apparently. Here's the instructions. Select, pay, wait, enjoy. Yeah, I forgot to mention, this is about as Vegas as it gets. Buddy V's pizza vending machine says caution, box is hot. I can't believe I'm doing this. I'm not even hungry, but I have to do it. Touch to order. Italiano. Do you want it cold or hot? Pretty sure we're going hot. It's 4-star recommended. Please pay by credit card. Present your card. I think I paid. So at times, that's cool. Tells you how long it's going to take to heat it up inside the magical machine. So you're counting down to your 19. But it's kind of cool that it gives you a countdown. So I'm no mathematician, but maybe 2 or 3 minutes to heat the thing up. Alright, it's coming down to the wire in 25 seconds. At the Buddy V pizza vending machine experience. I got the Italiano pizza. Yes, it's $11. Stop your complaining, it's on the strap. Yeah. Oh, it lights up too. There's the pizza. Oh, it looks beautiful. That's not a bad looking slice. Let's check it out. Alright, so here's the pizza from the Boss Cafe vending machine. It looks pretty damn good. It's got toppings and such. I think it was the Italiano, so I'm pretty sure it's got pepperoni, sausage maybe, some kind of peppers. I'm not a foodie, but it looks delicious. Came out just like this in about 3 minutes, $11. Not a bad deal if you got the drunchies.